have a friend named Yuan Yuan. I have a friend who is a bit silly. I have a warm-hearted friend. I have a happy friend. There is a sky so blue. There is a rainbow arching. There is a world. It is beautiful. Having you as a friend is bliss.
Hi everyone, I'm Bear Xiaomi. I'm little penguin Jiping. I'm little elephant Ellie. I'm little lion Ray. I'm little moose Booze. We're everyone's good friends. There is a bird on Ellie's head.
Ellie sits alone by the river admiring lotus flowers.
So beautiful, the water is crystal clear.
Ellie can clearly see her own reflection.
Hello there, Ellie in the water. Hello to you too, Ellie. Ellie, you look so beautiful. Thanks, but you look beautiful too. Ha ha ha, thank you. Ellie, there seems to be a bird on your head. Buddy! Bird! There is a bird on my head! Oh! There is a bird on my head! Oh, no! There is a bird on my head! Hey, little bird, please! Get off my head!
Ellie tries to shoo the bird away, but the bird doesn't seem to want to leave.
Little one, if you don't leave now, I won't be nice to you! Eek! Eek!
After much effort, Ellie still couldn't get rid of the bird. Ellie feels weird having a bird on her head.
Ellie! Hi, Ellie! Hello! Hello, everyone! Ellie, seems like you've made a new friend. He is a little rascal! A rascal, but he looks so cute. Hello, little bird. I'm Booze. Let me tell you a secret. Ellie's head is so comfy. Sometimes I even feel like taking a nap on it. Buzz! Buddy, Ellie, the bird seems to really like you. No way! And you look really cool. Gosh, you must be teasing me.
Ellie doesn't like having a bird on her head.
Such a cute little bird.
The next day, Ellie sat alone, bored on the small hill.
Of course, with that bird.
Great! The bird is still here. Hello. Hello, bird. I brought some tasty treats for the bird. Look, it really likes them. Ellie, I got a gift to let your bird at home. It is a lovely little birdhouse. Little bird, I think you'll love it. Oh, it likes the house.
Not only does Ellie have a bird on her head, but now there is a house too.
Ellie, you look. I know, silly, right? So cute. And Ellie looks so caring. Isn't it weird to have a bird on your head? And we love Ellie with a bird on her head.
Friends really like the bird on Ellie's head.
Maybe having a bird on your head isn't so bad. But I still hope it leaves soon.
Ellie slowly got used to having a bird on her head.
Ellie has a bird on her head. Wow, so cool. Thanks. Wow. Ellie looks so unique. With a bird on her head, it is not as bad as I imagined. But I still hope it leaves sooner. Bird, look, those lotus flowers, so beautiful.
Now, Ellie loves spending time with the bird. She feels so happy. They watch the sunset together and swing together,
La 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 la.
running and running on the grass together. But one day,
Oh I think he might have left. But why would he leave? Didn't you want him to leave earlier? But now, I don't want him to leave. My heart is as empty as the bird's nest on my head. It is all empty now. Hey, Ali, I think he might have found new friends.
Oh, I see. The little bird found friends who belong to him.
Oh, ho ho! Little bird, little bird, how are you? I'm so happy for you. You've got new friends. I hope you'll often remember this old friend of yours, little bird. Little bird, this nest is for you. I thought you might need it. That is the bird's nest I made. Goodbye, little bird! Goodbye!
Goodbye.